everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. If you want to stick around and see how to create it, then please do so because the video is starting right now. So I actually got inspired to do this look from an Instagram photo. It was by Glow by Soph, so thank you to her for posting it, because now I had something to kind of recreate and put my own twist on. I will link her Instagram down below to give her credit as well, and I will also insert a photo of the picture here that she's done because it is amazing and I really hope I can do it justice. So yeah, let's just start. It feels so good to be able to just sit down, and now I have my own makeup room. I don't know if you can tell, it's a heap different to my old room, so I actually have my own makeup room, so it is so good to just sit down and film. I've missed you guys. So we're going to be starting off with primer, and I'm just going to be using the Australis Original Primer, and I'm just going to put it all over my face. What's everybody been doing? I mean, I've still been uploading videos, but they were pre-recorded, and I haven't even uploaded all my pre-recorded videos because moving house is hectic, honestly. It's just crazy. And I also need to get a microphone for this camera because honestly, I don't like the sound quality. So can you please comment some good microphones down below, because I need some. I need some. So starting with brows today, as we do every other day, I am going to be taking the Maybelline brow pencil that I always use. So just using that. Do you guys want to be zoomed in? You can be if you want to, but it's the same as every other time. You know what? I'm just going to do my brows off camera. Bye. Sexy slow moms. Okay, so I have just done my brows off camera with the Maybelline brow thingy, and then I also used the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I've just carved them out with some concealer so we can get straight onto the eyeshadow rather than sitting around watching me do my eyebrows because no one cares. It's just true. So for eyeshadow today, we are using the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette because that is the one that was used in the photo, so we are going to be copying that because I have the palette, so that is really handy. I find it so hard to recreate looks that I don't have the palettes for. I don't know why. I think it's just easier to... Ooh, I've got my thingy to take off. Up we come. First step, pack on a purple, a pink, a yellow shadow into the crease. Okay, let's do it. So I think for packing stuff on, I am going to use this QC Makeup Academy pointy end brush and this fake Zoeva 227 brush as well. So first I will pack the yellow into the... Okay, so we are going to be taking Brick Road. We are going to be putting it to about there. And then next we will be packing the pink and then the purple. For pink we're taking Texas Made. Oh, I'm going to stain my eyelids with this. And then on the end we are going to take Believe. Oh, focus. Okay, so next it says to just blend those colours out, and then on top of the purple, get adding a lighter blue to the shadow over the purple. So just blend it out and then add a bit of a blue. So yeah, okay, cool. To blend it out, I'm just going to be taking a Ruby May 222 brush, which is this one here. And you just want to go in circular motions to blend them all together. And if you feel like the pigment is disappearing, just add more colour and just keep blending. Okay, and then we're going to cut the crease. And we're going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm just going to be putting that, using that with the flat end brush from Morphe. It is an M224. I'm going to take the NYX white liner and I'm going to try something. This could end very, very good or very, very bad. Probably very, very bad. I have hooded eyes, so that was probably like a stupid idea, but you know. Oh well. Like that. I think it looks kind of cute. Well, now let's try and recreate it on the other eye. And I'm going to do that off camera. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I have also put some Model Rock lashes on in the style 226 and I used the Better Than Sex mascara. Now we're going to move on to the base. It was kind of more focused around the eyes, but you know, like we'll work with it, we'll go with it, but like, ah. So for foundation, oh, I'm so pale, I need a tan. For foundation, I am going with something that is a lot darker than my skin tone, like I always do, and that is the Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige, which again, is not my colour. I'm just going to take that on a kabuki brush. It is a, I don't know what it is, a 104 buffer. So, oh, look at that colour difference. Oh, love that for me. I don't know how people like film a video before they actually go out, because like I just get too impatient. And when I film, I take a lot longer to get ready. So all my friends would be like, Amber, can you hurry the fuck up? No. Being pretty takes time. Like if you can relate. I need to get a tripod that isn't like so unstable like me. I'm kidding, I'm doing good. I'm actually really happy in life at the moment, so let's beauty blend that out. Beauty blender is my friend. Is this how Mitchell got his name? Mitchell. Mitchell. These came out beauty blenders are starting to annoy me. I feel like they've changed. I wanted to get some Model Rock ones, but I couldn't because they were all sold out. Oh my god, I've finally started my little makeup business, so that's fun. That's exciting. Happy days. Okay, so I'm just taking my Colourful No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 16 and I'm just going to highlight all my face and get rid of my dark circles and maybe make myself not look as like fake orange. I can hear my dog. That's him going up the stairs. I'm just going to be taking this Jessup 142 concealer buffer and I'm just going to like buff out my concealer. I found by using a brush to buff things out as well as a beauty blender, it really does give it like a better finish. I will put that back on, but I want to finish my face first. Well, no, but like this one turned out so good, I don't understand. Like, I just don't get it. Pretty? Ugly. I feel like once you go false lashes, you can never go back. This is the I'm waiting for my eyelash glue to dry dance. Maybe now it will stay. Please, Jesus almighty, keep this lash on. Thank you. It needs to stay on all night too because I'm wearing these tonight and like, oh. I think it's not the lash's fault. I think I just suck at applying it. So I'm going to be going out of my comfort zone and I'm going to be doing a cream contour. So I'm going to be using the AC Onto a cream contour kit. And yeah, so we're going to do that before we set our face, because if we set our face beforehand, that's just stupid. That is just stupidity. So I think I'm just going to take like the darkest colour in the corner. It's messy as I know, I've used it a lot. That's a lie, I really haven't. I've kind of just destroyed it. Take one of these weed brushies and I'm just going to like do stuff to my face, give myself a jaw and stuff like that. What the hell? Why is that like that? This is not going how I want it to. It looks like I've literally smeared shit across my face. I really hope this blends out or I'm gonna actually scream. If this doesn't blend out, I don't know what I'll do. I just don't. Could be a massacre. I'm just going to take this brush to blend it out from QC Makeup Academy. And again, if it doesn't work, I'm going to scream. Because look at that. That is just... Oh, I brought it down too far. Jesus Christ, Amber. Jesus Christ. Everything turns out okay in the end, you know? We'll get there. To bake under my eyes, I am just going to be using the Huda Beauty Loose Baking Powder. This stuff actually smells really good. I'm baking a cake, I'm baking a face, I'm baking a... something. We are going to be using the Hoola bronzer. I don't feel like contouring today because I feel like I've done enough of that, so we are going to jump straight onto the blush. So I am going to change it up a bit and actually use something different for blush for once. I'm going to be using the Zoeva Coral Spectrum and I'm just going to be putting it on the apples of my cheeks. I think I might go with the pinky one here. Might be a bit much, but we'll go with it anyway. So I am going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I've got the mini one because it's cheaper. So I'm just going to set my face. It honestly smells like antiseptic, which isn't a great smell. Come and get your love. Leave a comment below if you love Avengers and anything Marvel just as much as me. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Lavender Snow Skin Frost, and I'm just going to be highlighting my face as I always would. Got it! I got it! I got it! I do. It's got that nice little purpley tinge to it. like so. For lips, I am going to be taking the Australis Colour Inject, and this is in the shade Ballet 611. Doesn't taste too great, but we're not here to be tasting our lipsticks, so who cares if it doesn't taste that great ever. Maybe we can do some like zoom ins, like some sexy slow motion, you know, just to... I'm just kidding, let's not do that. Okay everybody, that completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to recreate this look, then please go ahead and don't forget to tag me, because I would really love to see what you guys can do. If you like my videos, then please hit the big red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a video and you are notified every time I post and you are blessed with my presence. I will see you all next week. Bye!